Alright, hello people. Today I am making bubble bath and I am melting my cocoa benzene and my SCI and I'm using, as you can see, a double boiler, which is the best way to melt it. I am making bubble bath, but I can add stearic to this and turn it into a whip foaming bath, because this is like the same product that I would use to make foaming whip bath, but today I'm making bubble bath and I'm getting this all melted. And also shampoo bars. I can go ahead and make shampoo bars with this also, and that I will do another time, but today is all about the bubble bath. So I'm gonna let that finish melting. Okay, I have to add my preservative, and let me take a temperature reading. Okay, so this preservative I'm using has to be added at 140 to 155. So I'm at 142, and I'm going to add well, this is not supposed to happen. This happened after I added the preservative, and this is what happens sometimes with preservatives and certain ingredients. So I will have to throw this out, start all over again with the with the liquid content, my water and my glycerine, and I will take the other ingredient out of it because that's what the problem is. Okay, spoiler alert. Sorry. It's supposed to be. Pour it into the other melt, and I have to add my preservative to this, and I change over to another preservative because I don't know what's going on with my phenol nip. So I'm going to use Germal Plus for this one here, and I'm gonna add that. I haven't added any scents to this as yet. So, okay, I am finished adding my preservative to my batch of bubble bath, and I will probably split this batch and do half with fragrance to test to see if it's going to turn cloudy, if it's going to get thicker, if it's going to get thinner, so that way I'm not wasting my entire batch. This is a very small batch. I did a 16 ounce and I had to add about 4 ounces of water, so that's about 20 ounces of if my brain is functioning right here, that's about 20 ounces of bubble bath. So I will add my fragrance, split this in half, add fragrance to the other half, and I will leave it for about a week or so and see what happens. In the meantime, I might do a demo on how bubbly this is in the bathtub. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.